Okay, Learning Machine. So this is another massive, this is like the biggest thing I have to offer you guys. This is by far the biggest thing I have to offer you guys. This is 1 billion email database emails. Okay. I've spent a lot of money to acquire these lists from companies, businesses, marketers, and everything. Okay. I even threw in a bunch of bonuses of databases here for y'all. This is across multiple countries, consumers, mainly consumer email addresses, and also some business email addresses. Here's the thing, you can promote to all these leads, very congruent offers that are really, really quality offers, but you can also promote to them almost anything. Because, if you can get in front of enough people, you are guaranteed essentially to make money. Like, if you are able to send an email to 1 billion people, don't you think you're going to make money? If you're selling something, of course, and you will be. So if you send one email per day to 1 billion people, you're guaranteed to make a lot of money. Like, here's the thing, guys. Me to acquire this many leads, it's cost me an undisclosed amount of money, we'll just say, but it's cost me a lot of money to acquire this many leads. And I've acquired them mainly from businesses and marketers and companies that are willing to sell email databases of theirs, okay, legally. Now, this is all legal and everything, okay, and I should be charging way more, but I wanted this to be an equal opportunity for everyone. Now, I also have another opportunity that I think is in some ways even more valuable, but they both are equally valuable. I priced them at $997, just $1,000, because whatever. And I wanted them to be accessible for anyone. Okay, anyone has $1,000 or can get $1,000 to take advantage of a massive opportunity like this. Okay, this is big. Okay, I'll be taking these down like eventually, for sure. And the reason why is because I can just promote to this whenever I want to my own lists. But this is like for you guys. Okay, this is to give to all of you. Okay, it's a little bit extra money for me, but I don't even need your money. It's whatever at this point. Okay, money's meant to be used for your life setup and for enjoying your life. It's not meant to just acquire money. I mean, there reaches a point when you have enough money. Okay, this is more so about giving back. This is more so about getting you guys results. Okay, because when you have access to 1 billion people, there's a lot you can do here, guys. You can sell leads, you can promote to leads, you can promote any affiliate offer ever. You can make your own offers to promote to stuff. You can promote your own business. You can promote anything. You get attention around anything, okay? For very, very cheap in comparison to if you were to spend money on any paid ad platform to get in front of 1 billion people, like let's say to just get impressions for 1 billion people, that's like millions of dollars, guys. Okay, just so you know. And I'm giving it to you right now. You realize that companies or platforms or social media platforms that basically have people using those platforms and coming back onto those platforms, those are essentially email lists and users using those email lists, you could say, quotation marks, but there's just content on there a lot and often. Okay, that's the difference. So they just have huge email lists that they're promoting offers to all the time. Don't you get it? Like, that's what it is. And you can do the same thing. You can be just like these huge companies, but a little bit less than what they're doing, obviously. But you can promote to people just like they are. But they have like ad platforms built in to what they're doing where marketers can go in and businesses can go in and market to their users, and essentially their massive email list. And so when you have access to people, you can sell stuff. It's really that simple. When you have access to people, you can sell things. So, I mean, I don't know any closer way to making money other than having an audience, having access to an email list, and being able to promote to that email list. Okay, and it's not just one email list; it's like many email lists. Is like the superpower here because, guys, I'm giving you guys tons of email lists here. So all of it's valuable. If you guys even want to be an affiliate for this while it still lasts, you can sign up to be an affiliate. I will add these different offers of big email lists that I have here for y'all. I'll add it to the sign up for affiliate page or whatever you guys can be an affiliate for. If you want to sell something like this, for example, since I'm just bringing it up briefly here, if you wanted to be an affiliate for this while it lasts, like I would just make YouTube videos if I were you and just like talk about how big of an opportunity this really is for people because it is. If you are able to buy 1 billion leads, not just 1 billion, like this is multiple billion email lists. Okay, there's like 3 billion right here, guys. Okay, that I'm giving here of huge databases of emails. So it's literally the biggest no-brainer in the world. If you were to do paid ads or go ahead and buy this many emails, it would cost you hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars. I've been able to acquire all this for like hundreds of thousands. Luckily, not millions of dollars for all of this, because I'm lucky, you could say, or I'm just an action taker. But like, guys, this is priceless. This is like worldwide though, so it's really priceless as well, and nothing's overlapping here with this offer right here. They're both separate. This is like United States leads. And as we know, the country in the world that has the most money in a lot of ways and has the most buyers is United States. So this is a very, very valuable thing I'm giving here. And I really, really shouldn't be because I could just market do all this myself. But I figure, why not? Why not give? Why not be a giver? You know, so that's why I'm doing it. Take advantage of both of these opportunities. In fact, I should have them both priced way higher than $1,000. Like I should have them priced at a few $1,000s. But like I said, I want it to be accessible and possible for anybody. Okay, rich or poor or in between. Like this is very possible for anyone and for anyone to make their money back. Okay, no results guaranteed, of course, but like if you're someone who's able to use a computer and do stuff, you can make money. Okay, $1,000 is nothing. It really isn't. Like in comparison, like to how much money someone, let's put it this way, it's nothing for me at least. Like $1,000, I'm literally giving this for free in my eyes to y'all. Like it's always been that way with my personal brand. I've just given on the side. I've always done my Cashco YouTube channel on the side. Always done huge paid ad campaigns on the side. Always done investing on the side. Hint, hint, mainly crypto. And I got out of that right before the dip, which was actually super good luck because I have no idea what I was doing. But anyway, that's the stuff I've always done. And I'm not investing in anything right now, not even real estate. I just invest into paid ads and marketing and actually currently buying email lists and doing paid ads, collecting leads and building big email lists. This is like what I'm focused on. So because I just know like there's more money than anything in a lot of ways with less risk, less expenses and everything in comparison to how much money you can make from leads because it's people. When you can promote to people anything, that's powerful. Like it is, and it's definitely effective for making money. Okay, so if you want to make money, there you go. Take advantage of all these opportunities I have listed here. Let me go to the page here. So right here, we've got 1 billion leads. We've got 150 million leads. I know I said a million there, but like it's 150 million actually. 10 million sweepstake leads, 10 million adult leads, 1 million USA leads, and 100,000 USA leads. And I just put this one together separately from everything else because it's also very, very accessible for everyone too. That's just $47 for that one. I'm literally giving this stuff for free, it feels like. Like, this is bad. This is very stupid of me. But at the end of the day, it is about giving value to you all. I need to overcome any thoughts about me feeling like I shouldn't do this because, like, this is just giving you guys endless value, in my opinion. Like, assets that can make you money. Like, this is powerful. So anyway, there you go. Take advantage of it. If you don't, like, what's wrong with you? That's the way I see it. Like, what's wrong with you if you don't take advantage of this? But if you do have any questions, email me. My email should be in the description of any one of the videos you're watching or anything. So you can reach out to me even on Instagram if you want to, but I'll be less likely to see it. But yeah, take advantage of this opportunity, guys, because it's going to be gone eventually. I'll probably take it down eventually. We'll see. But I am a giver. I do want to have everyone have equal opportunities here. That's what this is all about. Take advantage of this, and thank you for watching. Peace out, learn machines. Peace.